Hello friends, I'm here to show you the demo of Yodaplus Multisig Safe. It is a product built to manage digital assets on Xinfin Blockchain with the URL as yplusvault.com. You can access it using this URL. And since I don't have any real XDCs, so I have connected to Apothim and not Xinfin mainnet. Also, I'm using Chrome browser, so I have installed XDC Pay extension. You can see it over here, and I have connected this also to XDC Apothim testnet and not XDC mainnet, so that I can do transactions. And today I'm going to show you escrow transactions. I have created 4 profiles here. You can see over here: buyer, seller, mediator, and treasury. If you want to create more account, you can use this option, create account option, to create more accounts if you need. For now, for escrow transactions, these 3 accounts are sufficient. I'm gonna transfer some money to this account because this is the buyer. So let's transfer this using this Apothim network. So I'm transferring money. Yeah, XDC. So 1000 XDC is successfully transferred. You can check it over here. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we can transfer some amount to mediator as well. Let's copy it and transfer. Yeah, so 1000 XDCs have been transferred to mediator as well. You can check the buyer. Yeah, see, buyer has got 2500 XDCs. Seller has some 0.99. Let's transfer some to seller as well in case we need. So 1000 XDC successfully transferred. Okay. Let's switch to buyer profile. Let's begin creating the safe and connecting the wallet. Okay, the first step is to connect the wallet. Let's connect. Let's see what happens next. So the screen says please select a wallet to connect to Yodaplus Multisig Safe. So I'm gonna select XDC Pay. So this is the testnet version. Don't send production assets to this safe. Yeah, so this is a warning sign that's showing. Okay, fine. We are now connected to a wallet. The next step is to create a safe. Let's create one. So I'm gonna name this account as Escrow Transaction. Okay, so I'm creating this safe. Yeah, so it is now I have to add 2 more owners since the transaction requires us to have 3 owners: buyer, seller, and mediator, since we are doing escrow transactions. So we'll add 1 more owner. If I'm gonna switch directly to another owner, the address changes. So I have copied all the 3 addresses here in sticky notes. So let's do it again. Let's select buyer profile, copy the we don't need to copy now. Okay, yeah, so it is already there. I'll leave. We'll have seller profile. We'll copy the seller's profile and we'll paste it over here. Okay. Then I'm gonna take the mediator profile, copy the address, and I'll save it over here. So all the three addresses are saved. Now I'm gonna switch to buyer so that will be the first profile which I'm creating. Next will be seller, and I'll copy the address. Okay, I'll add one more owner with the name mediator and take the address. So all the three owners have been selected. Next is, since this is an escrow account, so I'm gonna select 2 out of 3 owners. So any transaction requires a confirmation of at least 2 owners. Okay, we'll review this. So this is escrow transaction, 2 out of 3 owners are there, buyer, seller, and mediator is there. Then we are about to create a new safe, it says, and the creation will cost approximately 0.001 XDC, which is the transaction fees. So let's submit this. Now this is another screen which is showing recipient address and all. Okay, I'm submitting this. So there are 6 steps, so this might take some time. So this safe was created. Okay, so this is the escrow transaction account, and we'll have this. Okay, so for the transaction, the buyer has to buy something and the seller has to sell something, and the mediator will be there available to see, to check if everything is going properly. So let's receive the transaction. We can receive it directly using the QR code and transferring the amount. Since I don't have any device with me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this address here, and then I'm gonna send 1000 XDCs to my vault, to my safe. So the buyer is sending amount to the safe since it is buying something. Okay. So I have received 1000 XDCs over here. Now this balance needs to be sent to the seller. Suppose seller is selling something and we need to transfer it to the seller's account. So we're gonna copy the address. Okay, and then we send the amount to the seller. We'll send the amount 500 XDC to the seller. So it is prompting us, you are about to create a transaction and will have to confirm it with your currently connected wallet. We'll submit it. Okay, so it is asking please sign the transaction. So we are going to sign the transaction over here. See, So I've signed the transaction and it is saying that 500 XDCs are debited and it needs confirmations from one more account. So one account has confirmed the transaction and one more confirmation is needed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch this to mediator account. So this is the mediator, and it automatically says that I need to confirm the transaction. See, if I'm going to switch to the seller, so this particular thing is disabled because seller is the one who is receiving the amount. The mediator needs to sign it. So we'll switch to mediator. See, it automatically comes, it needs your confirmation. So I'll confirm it, and it is saying that a gas fee will be deducted, so which is 0.001. Okay, so we'll submit it. We have submitted the transaction. It is pending. See, and now the confirmed transaction notification has arrived. It will come in a while. So the transaction successfully executed. It will appear here in history. This is a successful transaction. See. And now if we go and look at our assets, so we have the balance 500 XDCs and 500 we have already sent to the seller account. So this is the escrow transaction. I hope guys you like the demo. Please comment if you liked it, and if you have any queries then do comment. I'll make sure to reply you and solve all your queries. Thank you.